What's going on, y'all? Adrian here, bringing y'all another video. So I want to talk about one of the biggest mistakes that I've made with my photography and my photography business. So that mistake is focusing too much on other photographers and what they're doing. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't check out other photographers. I think it's actually a good thing to see what people are doing in your area, to see what's working, to get ideas. But I do think that you can do it too much and it can start to affect you, how you shoot, how you edit, how you run your business. And I just don't think it's a good thing. I feel like a lot of photographers nowadays, and maybe this goes for any industry, I think you see a lot of people just copying the next person, doing what everybody else is doing. And at that point, there's no creativity anymore. And you just see the same things, the same images, the same looks. And it's just everybody doing the same thing. And I just think it sucks to see that because everybody's just jocking the next person's style and what they're doing. You know, lately I've been thinking a lot about our journey with our photography and our business. And you know, that's what made me want to make this video. I thought about that and I was like, man, I think it really hurt us that we were just so focused on what other people were doing and we didn't really find our way. And that's the point that I really want to make with this video. And I would tell any photographer that's just starting out, or maybe you haven't been doing it for too long, is to find your own way. Find your own style, find your own way of running your photography business. You do not need to copy anybody and do what everybody else is doing. Like I said earlier, I do think it's great, especially when you're just starting out, to see what other people are doing, but you know, don't copy those people. Develop your own style, develop your own way of doing things, and find your own voice with your brand. That's another thing. I see a lot of people that, you know, kind of copy the words of other people and it just doesn't come, it's not original because it's not truly you. I'll be honest with you, it took us a while to find our own style. I feel like we're now, you know, this year we've started to find our own voice, our own brand, the way we shoot, the way we edit, and I just like the direction that we're going in, and we've really started to take off and see a lot of big, great things happen with our business because, you know, not saying that we weren't being ourselves, but in a sense we weren't because we were kind of taking bits and pieces away from what other people were doing, and some of that stuff was not us. And I'm just so proud of us that we found our own voice and we do things our way. You know, we're not trying to do what the next photographer is doing. We just do things that we enjoy, and we just have our own voice and our own way of running our business and how we shoot, you know, photos. The main takeaway from this video is just to be yourself. You know, you can find inspiration and motivation from other photographers. I do it all the time. I have photographers that I look up to and I'm inspired and motivated by their work, but it does not change me and how I shoot in my work. So just be yourself. You know, I think it's a lot of just clones, I guess you could say, within this business. And I want to see more people just being their true self. And I just feel really more at peace and better that we are ourselves. Not that we were being fake before, but we're just more of ourselves and just putting ourselves out there the way that we want to put ourselves out there. And we're not, you know, worried about what other people are doing or if we're going a completely different route from what other people are doing. And I think a lot of people are scared to do different things and to go a different route because you see so many other people taking that same route. For example, you know, you see a lot of people who edit, you know, with this orange kind of style. And I have kind of fallen into that trend of trying to edit. And it's funny because my wife brought this up the other day, but you know, trying to edit in that style, but now I have my own style and I found my own way of doing things. Just want to share that little message. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single week. On my channel, I talk about photography, off-camera flash, the business side of photography, and I even do just real talk, sit-down videos like this, just expressing my thoughts and giving you positive messages that can help you with your photography journey. So I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.